So I'm going to teach you today how to make an emergency mask because it's hard to get your hands on these recently. So all you need is a kitchen towel, a normal kitchen towel, and 2 rubber bands. So first, fold the kitchen towel into half. Fold it into half. Then the bottom corner, you fold it up till halfway. Put the rubber band in. Staple it. Like that. Do the same for the other side. Okay, next, fold the top bit down at a slight angle. Put the rubber band in. Staple it. Same for the other side. Next, fold it into half. The top bit, this is the top bit, going to the top of your nose. So the top bit, you staple it at an angle of 45 degrees. So where the staple ends meet the corners, like that. Okay, and you have a mask. So that's all, folks. Hope this is going to help you. It's not the best filtration mask, but if you haven't got any and you're unable to get your hands on some masks, it's better to have this than not to have one, because it stops the spray from getting onto your nostrils and mouth, or stop your spray from getting onto others as well. Thank you.